5 clearance lights, left and right indicator, and both reflectors. No crack, no broke, no bulb missing, no bulb fuse. Securely mounted, should be working good. It's amber color. Both headlights, no crack, no broke, no bulb fuse, no bulb missing. Low beam and high beam working good. Low beam and high beam adjust to the road. Engine floor area, no oil leak, no water leak, no wires hanging, always clean. Hub oil seal, no nut bolt missing, no leak around the seal, no cap missing, oil level full, cap on tight. Lug nuts, no crack, no lug nut missing, no lug nut loose, all lug nut fully tight because no shiny thread. Rim, no crack, no bend, no illegal belt, no rusty, securely tight. Tire, no cut, no crack, no bubble on sidewall, thread evenly worn, no recap, air pressure 100 psi. I checked with high pressure gauge. Minimum thread 432 inch. Brake drum, no crack, no dents or holes, no sign of heat, no loose or missing bolts, no oily, no greasy, securely tight. Brake shoe, no oily, no greasy, minimum thickness 1/4 inch. Brake chamber, no dent, no crack, no air leak, no loose or missing clamp or bolts, securely tight. Brake chamber house, no cut, no crack, no air leak, both side securely tight. Slack adjuster, no physical damage, no loose or missing any parts, securely mounted. Push rod, no bend, no crack, no pin missing, play no more than 1 inch with brake release. Spring mount, no crack or broken, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted with frame. Spring leaf, no crack, no leaf missing, no leaf shifted, properly stacked, securely mounted. Jew bolts, no crack or broken, no nut bolt missing, securely tight. A hanger, no crack or broken, no nut bolt missing, securely tight with frame, always greasy. Shark, no leak, no rubber missing, no touch frame, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted both sides. Coolant tank, no crack, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted, no coolant leak, cap on tight, coolant level full. Coolant tank houses, no cut, no crack, no leak, both sides securely tight with clamps. Alternator, no crack or broken, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted, wires securely tight. Alternator is belt driven. Alternator belt, no cut, no crack, no thread, maximum play 3/4 inch in center of the belt. Water pump, no cut, no crack, no physical damage, no water leak, securely mounted. Water pump is belt driven. Water pump belt, no cut, no crack, no thread, maximum play 3/4 inch in center of the belt. Radiator, no damage, no leak, securely mounted with nut and bolts, no crack. Radiator houses, no cut, no crack, no leak, both sides securely tight with clamps. Hitman arm, drag link arm, steering arm, and tie rod. No crack, no illegal belt, no worn or loose any parts, no broken any part, no nut bolt missing, no castle nut missing, no carter key missing, joint always greasy. Power steering gearbox, no crack, no broke, no leak, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted with the frame. Power steering fluid reservoir, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted, no leaks, level full, cap on, tight. Power steering houses, no crack, no cut, no leaks, both sides securely tight with the clamps. Power steering steering shaft, no crack, no bend, no legal belt, juice joint always greasy. Oil dipstick, easy in, easy out to check oil. Check oil level when engine is off, oil level full, safe on shaded area. Air compressor, no crack, no nut bolt missing, no physical damage, securely mounted, no air leak. Power air compressor is gear driven. Air compressor houses, no cut, no crack, no air leak, both sides securely tight with the clamps. Power steering pump, no crack, no physical damage, no nut bolt missing, securely mounted, no leak. Power steering is gear driven. All hoses and wires, all houses no cut, no crack, no leaks, all tight with clamps, wires properly hanging.